Hello, this is Susan Ashley, and tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. European time, 4 p.m. Western Australia time, 7 p.m. East Coast time in Australia. I'm not sure what time that will be in America, but I'm just giving you those times so that you can figure it out in your own place where you live. I'll be doing a live event on my Facebook page, Susan Ashley, Energetic Alchemist and Spiritual Consultant. And I will be doing it every day at that time, unless I can't do it, like, if the internet's down or something. But every morning, for me, it'll be 9 a.m. Every morning I'm going to sit for half an hour with you all, and we're going to create a collective grid around this planet to save it, because something really big is happening. And now is the time for all of us to really believe in unity consciousness and just sit together, create a grid, take it into the earth, take it up to the universe, and really, really shine our light and place in that grid the planet that we want. We must now create a collective consciousness that many can join in. We are the voice of calm. We are the voice of knowledge. You know it and I know it. We have been waiting lifetimes for this opportunity to do this for the planet. And we're going to do it as spiritual warriors. We're going to fight for the light. We're not going to get out guns or start punching people up. We're going to fight with our consciousness. We're going to remain still, calm, clear. We're the visionaries. We are the creators. And you and I are going to do this together, regardless of what our governments do, regardless of whatever evil is coming upon anyone. We're going to stand together as a collective grid and help this planet get through what it's going to go through, and raise the consciousness for everyone to move into, so that they feel safe, they feel loved, they feel provided for. This is our mission. Now it's time to fight for the light. I got this message this morning. I woke up last night. Yesterday I went to the shops and there was a line up there. There wasn't a lot in there, and then I kind of had a bit of a breakdown because I could feel, I wasn't prepared for what I experienced, and I could feel everyone's anxiety and tension and fear. And I just started, I basically broke down, and I thought, this shit is real, because it's been in our heads. We've known it's coming for a long time, but when it actually starts happening, it's like, oh my God. And I had a bit of a freak out because I'm, not with my parents or my siblings or even my son. We're in different countries. So I'm here with my husband, and so that comforts me, but I'm not with those other people that I've grown up with and care for deeply. I'm not with, some of my really, really close friends that I love and adore. So for me, it just all hit me yesterday. And when I went to bed last night, I prayed and I just said, look, help me find clarity, help me to find, what can I do? And when I woke up this morning, I woke up with this voice screaming at me, Susan, you have to fight for the light. Now is the time. And then I knew, this is what I've been waiting for. This is what I've dedicated my life to. And so I'm going to be there every day, whether I'm online or not. Every day I'm going to sit there and I'm going to meditate and I'm going to join with you. And we are going to do this together. And I ask you to put away your ego, to put away your teachings. Everybody wants to be a teacher and everybody wants to be the leader. Just put it away. This is not about teaching. It's about joining together and creating a human internet. We are all telepathic. We can all connect with each other. We communicate with each other all the time and we don't even know it. Let's create this human link, this consciousness link, and consciously raise, so that we can get through this together and come out of it with a better world to live in. And who knows, perhaps we will come out of it with fresh air and clean water and everything else and a new government system. Who knows? But all I do know is that we go into fear and we go into complacency and protectiveness and, you know, us against them and everything. We won't, as a planet, make it. The darkness will win. So we need to ensure that that doesn't happen. In my heart, I know it won't happen. I know that good will come out of this. And so I know that many of you have felt this for a long time, and you know there's something burning inside you, your mission. You know, you understand that you think, well, I've got a mission, I don't know when it is, I don't know where it is. It's now. It's now. So join with me, energetically or in presence, and let's do this together. It's free, I'm not charging anything. I know a lot of people have jumped on the bandwagon and they're charging for things that in a time of stress, I look, if you wanted to have a healing or do some work with me, that's fine, but this is my gift, this is my job, this is what I do. I'm actually, that's why I call myself an energetic alchemist. I'm really, really good at tapping into energy, and I'm really good at creating energetic systems. So I know what my strengths are, and I'm asking you to join with me and let's get stronger together. So I'll see you on Facebook Live tomorrow morning, my time, 9 a.m. Bye.